Nope. Fuck off me.
So they are.
Brush them.
Brush them for days.
They're clearing. They're searching the vehicle now, so they got somebody in one of these cars. Film the cops?
For no reason.
Because I don't trust them as far as I could throw them. I need to quit filming their asses?
Oh, from the police?
Yeah, that's what I do.
He just stole
I do cop watch. I don't know that.
Well, he just stole a car.
Right on.
But you know, make sure they don't hurt him or something.
Exactly, that's what I do.
Hey. What am I, chop liver?
This is Mike.
James, what is it?
Let's go. We don't fuck with this.
We got Robert West.
How are you guys doing tonight?
You too. Bye.
Right on, I'm doing great.
What was in the bush that was interesting? Oh, really?
You guys are hunting spiders? With AR15s?
That's what I thought. He's like, you should see it. Come here, look at this thing.
That thing is literally like this big.
Yeah. If I had a zoom lens.
You know I'm gonna title this video Cop Hunt Spider with AR15, right?
The car just happens to.
Because that's funny as fuck. So the cop just happened to find a huge spider in the bushes, and when we run up to film, the cops are all like, "God, you should have seen that thing." That's actually pretty funny.